something very terrible has happened a couple of days back, and rumors are floating around which are uncalled for. Sensationalizing of the case is taking place. Circulation of photos of the victim girl in the media, on WhatsApp, and on everything wherever you can show the picture of the girl. Everyone in Goa knows it is banned by the law. When it is banned by the law, I fail to understand how anybody can have the daring to circulate these pictures. Don't circulate these pictures. Now in this regard, last night at 10:30, I've given the moment I saw the picture, I was restless. I went and gave a complaint to the Maina-Curtorim Police under section 228A that there is a ban on circulating pictures of the girl child.